guys, welcome to Prana's Kitchen. Today I'll show you how to make popcorn in a microwave. The two things you need is popcorn kernels and a brown bag. So let's get started. First, we're going to take the brown bag and open it up. Next, we're going to open the popcorn kernels. I'm going to pour the popcorn kernels inside here, and she's going to pour it inside the bag. Now you have to fold it 2 or 3 times. Now we're going to put this inside the microwave. Now I'm going to put 2 minutes as the popping time. Now we just gotta wait for 2 minutes. It's almost over and it's popping very, very well. It's very, very hot, so you have to carefully take it. Now my sister's going to take it out. Let's see how it is. It turned out very, very nice. I'm going to put salt. If you want, you can put butter by melting the butter. I'm going to put salt. Now the popcorn is all ready and we're going to taste it. This is super delicious. It's so delicious. If you want to watch more videos, click on the like button and the subscribe button too. Bye bye!